since 1974, we added another can art that is the terracotta warrior. The terracotta warrior, just now, you see, the first thing I will see the clay. Clay, maybe you turn back, see the corner over there in front, the corner of the gate, the door. We put a lot of clay there. We buy the clay from a small village near the museum, a small hill. Because they are limited, so we must pay money can get it. That is why government just allow our factory can copy wood, because clay is limited. Clay and water, we will put them together, mix them for a long time, and then we use the stick just to beat it many times. After beating, the clay is very good. Sticky, smooth, very soft. Would you want to touch it? I repent. Just look like the chocolate, but you cannot eat it.
It looks like clay.
Yeah, just touch it. Touch it. Very nice clay. Very nice. Why I would see this clay special, because this kind of clay, big fat, the color change from the brown to the dark. Where's the dark one? This, and also very hard. This is clay on the metal? Yeah, this is clay, special. That is why I say it very special clay. How to make it? We use the mold to make it. Mold. Yeah, but in ancient time, the artists just according to the real person do the statue in the museum. You see the antique wood with a different size, different face. That is amazing, right? In that time, the artists used their finger do the statue. You just think how hard it is, right? But now in the factory, we need a copy. A lot of wood here. For what? For selling. For who? For you. So we just use the mold to make it. How to do it? We roll the clay like Chinese noodle. Roll it like this way and push the clay inside with my finger like this way. I'm not skillful, but I just show you how to do it. Yeah, each side the same way, and then we join them together. Press it tightly, and keep the clay in the small size mold maybe 2 hours, and then we open it out, take them out. You see over there the ladies do this, another step, they use the little knife just for carving face, the uniform, the body, clear, beautiful, right? Finish that step, they use a little brush with the water, just polish it, and then put them on the shelves on the floor for drying. But it must be for air drying, because everyone's body is hollow body. Why the hollow body? You can see here, the hollow. Is that hollow? Hollow body can save money. Joking, hollow body. You're right? The hollow body, so we keep, must be in the room for air drying, otherwise the surface will be cracked. Yeah, air drying the time must be longer. For smaller size, maybe 10 or 15 days. For the bigger one, maybe 1 month. Over there, you see the big size molds. We also do the statue, bigger size statue. For size from the clay to the finished one, for the bigger one, maybe the 2 months. Yes, that's how. different rank just come from the different hairstyle. Come here with them. Hair's different. Is that right?
Yep.
So this guy, did you see it? Oh, I killed him, right? Okay. Here is a double nose, look like a butterfly. Butterfly hairstyle. And the uniform just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-star general. Do you remember it? Okay. This is a general. And this guy, you see it here with the square hat. This is a soldier student, a student's hat. Student's hat in the ancient time. So somebody with a student's hat in the army, he must be clever. He's an officer. Do you remember it? Okay, officer. Later I will ask you again. Okay, soldiers' hats, they are very simple, just one knot on the hat. Where are they? Yes, see, here. One knot, but on the different side. Is that right? Different side. Standing one with the one knot on the right side, we call the infantry. Infantry, kneeling guy with one knot on the left. That is you give the right archer. But another question for this gentleman: why the hair stay on the left archer? Why?
For the bow.
You're right. He's a bowman. He wants to hit the arrow from his right shoulder, so the knot must be on the left, right? So who is this guy? King. You don't know? And you know who is the biggest rank in the army?
General.
And also, the general belongs who?
Emperor.
Chief. Emperor. This is the emperor, first king China. Just please remember his name, Qin Shi Huang. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Try to repeat. Qin Shi Huang. Qin Shi Huang. Okay, you can tell your friends. You know the first king in China, that is Qin Shi Huang. Good. Okay, now I will ask you again. Who is this guy?
5-star general.
5-star general. Who is this guy?
Student.
Officer. And that is
Infantry.
a kneeling guy? Good. Okay. So now I will choose the size. That is the bigger size, 1.18 meters high. In the museum, all the standing room with this size. Life size. Life size for who? For you. You have the big garden, put them outside. This is a waterproof, very, very hard, right? And also the 3/4